Hey guys, I'm Steph, and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You know the drill. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. I'm really excited for today's eyeshadow palette tutorial because I am trying out the new NABLA Cosmetics Metropolitan Cutie eyeshadow palette. I also picked up the coordinating lipstick, which is also in the shade Metropolitan. The only thing I didn't get to pick up from this collection was the eyeliner that they had. So NABLA Cosmetics actually released 3 different cutie eyeshadow palettes on Ulta Beauty's website, along with 3 coordinating lipstick shades and coordinating eyeliners. Let me go ahead and insert some natural light swatches so you guys can see the eyeshadows on a fair to light skin tone. So this is the Metropolitan Cutie eyeshadow palette. It retails for $24 on Ulta Beauty's website, and you do get 6 shades, 2 mattes, and 4 shimmers. This is the NABLA Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Metropolitan. This retails for $16 on Ulta Beauty's website. This is my first ever purchase from NABLA Cosmetics, and they are an indie Italian makeup brand, and the word NABLA is actually derived from the word art and creativity. And if you guys can get an up-close look at the artwork on this palette, I think NABLA definitely lives up to the meaning of its name. And then you have some more artwork going on in the back. So I thought aesthetically it was a really, really pretty eyeshadow palette. NABLA Cosmetics is cruelty-free and vegan as well. So let's go ahead and dive into the 2 products that I picked up from the NABLA Cosmetics Metropolitan Cutie collection. If you want to see the look I created right here, keep on watching. So let's jump into using this palette. I've already primed my eyelids using some concealer and a little bit of loose setting powder. Now, again, we have 6 shades that we're going to hopefully be able to place all over the eyes today. And the first shade I'm going to go in with is Lord, and I'm going to pack that on the eyelid. That's a good brown. That's a good brown. The pigmentation, the way it just allowed you to place it but still blend it a little bit, and no fallout. Really, really like that. Let me take care of the other eye. Guys, that was just with 1 tap into the shadow. I didn't have to go back in to add more coverage to the lid. Really great, really off to a great start. Now what I'm going to do is just take a little tapered blending brush. This is a clean brush, and I'm just going to go over the edges where I applied the color Lord. I want to keep with the shape of my eye. I don't really want to wing it out or anything. Just kind of keep it rounded off. All right, now I'm going to go in with the shade Love Resin right here, and I'm going to be working that on the outer to middle portion of my eyelid. I'm not wetting the brush on this. I just want to see what it's going to do with a dry brush, and then if I need to, I'll go ahead and wet the brush. Now I'm going to try spraying the brush with a little bit of the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and go in on the other eye. Okay, I don't know how I feel about Love Resin. I'm going to try my finger. I think it looks a little bit better when applying it with the finger. That seems to be working for me lately with shimmer shades. Just going in with my ring finger and tapping them on my eyelid. It's not my favorite method of applying, but somehow it's been working better. And now I'm going to go in with Dissolution right here. This is a really pretty shimmer shade, kind of like a goldenish brownish shimmer shade. I'm going to use my finger now since we know that that works better, and I'm going to apply that on the rest of the eyelid. Ooh, that's a beautiful shade. Ooh, that's beautiful. That is so far my favorite shade. I could totally see going in with the dark brown shade Lord and then applying this one over it and just using those two colors together for your look. That would be really, really nice and quick and simple, yet still give you that nice pop of sparkle. Now to kind of blend the two shades together, I'm going to go in with the shade Animalia, and I'm going to apply this just in the center of the eyelid. Same thing, I'm going to use my finger. Whoa, beautiful. Wow. Just want to keep it real simple. Just take a little stripe of gold there in the center. Man, this is gorgeous. Now I'm going to take the shade Nothing Personal, and I'm going to start working that on my lower lash line. I'm just going to go back in with that little blending brush, kind of go over the top right here, this dark brown. Just blend it, and even right here on the bottom, on the sides. Wow, I really like the way this turned out. We got one more shade to use, and this shade right here is called Alaska. I'm going to pop that in the inner corner. You know what? Let me take my pinky. Oh yeah. Whoa. Ooh, that is pretty. Guys, this is a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. This is my first experience with NABLA Cosmetics too, so this certainly did not disappoint. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then we'll come back to try out the new lipstick I purchased from this Cutie collection. Alright, so I went ahead and added a little bit of eyeliner and mascara. These are the two different eyeliners I used to complete the look, and this is the mascara I added to my lashes. So now let's try out the new lipstick that came in this collection, and this one is in the shade Metropolitan. I'm not going to wear a lip liner with it, I just want to test it out on its own. Feels very creamy, very moisturizing on the lips. It almost feels like it has cocoa butter in it. Let me double check to see if it does. It has jojoba oil in it, so that's why it feels so hydrating on the lips, and it just applied beautifully to the lips. I love the shade of nude lipstick. It's not a pinky nude, it's more of a warm toned, like a brownish nude, and sometimes I feel like I lack that shade in my collection, so this is why I wanted to pick this one up. Let me go ahead and give my face a spritz with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So guys, this is the completed look using the new NABLA Cosmetics Metropolitan Cutie palette. Guys, this was my first experience diving into NABLA Cosmetics, and I couldn't be more excited and eager to purchase more items. This palette was just so easy to work with. Guys, these shimmers right here, use them with your finger. That is going to be the best application method for them. The dark brown shade, as well as that peachy pink shade, both really great quality matte shades. I think this is just a fun little palette to add to your collection. I picked this palette up when I purchased the ColourPop She's Got Solstice eyeshadow palette. I thought that both of these palettes, and let me show them to you side by side, I thought they would complement each other really, really nicely, and that's why I went ahead and decided to purchase them both. I did a review on this one recently, so make sure you check that one out. And guys, this one, it retails for $24 on Ulta Beauty's website. If you're interested in purchasing it, they also have two other shade options that come in this Cutie collection. This is just the one that really just stood out to me, and since I was already getting the ColourPop Solstice, I thought, you know what, I'm going to add this into my cart because I think I can interchange the two, and I'm very glad I did. I'm actually going to go back and look to pick up maybe one or the other two palettes that NABLA Cosmetics had in their collection. I really enjoyed using the lipstick. This is definitely one that's going straight into my purse and one I'm definitely going to be using on a daily basis. So guys, what did you think about this look? Definitely give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching today's video. Leave me a comment. Have you tried out NABLA Cosmetics? What are some of your favorite items from the NABLA Cosmetics line? Are you interested in trying this out? Definitely sound off below. I'd love to hear from you guys. I want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for choosing to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have been enjoying my content, and I have a lot more coming because I just can't stop playing with makeup. You guys have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.